friends, tuning in this morning. It's the last day, working day of the week. Then we say, to all the parents and the guardians. Thank you so much for naitabi nduindu engarabi. And the book lebu membalitir na lube and the non lagi buli. And a Singapore rumbuguri ko. And binaka Eleanor. And binaka
Nasingalau
Hesaba.
Hexava. Good morning to all the students that are tuning in this beautiful morning. May dapat tuniko na first week of second term, and we hope that you are enjoying Sports Day today. Sports Day today for many students. Many schools they always have Sports Day today on Friday, and we hope that you will enjoy Friday. Most students they like to go to school on a Friday. Right. This is because it's the last day of the week, and also
they will have fun today.
Right, they will have fun. There's a lot of activities planned for Fridays, especially sports.
So when they leave home in the morning, they leave with their
sports uniform
on.
They are wearing their sports uniform.
Must be colorful around the towns. And in the buses and uniform in Gito. Now Luvenda, because it's Friday today, it's a sports day to all our students who are tuning in this morning.
Right.
Belangio. Right.
Right.
And his gang is Alekiso Piele, Sitiveni, Benjamin Sitiveni, Bella Sio Bukiwai, Selosi, and the Rocco Bella. Makole Solevumbua is the owner of the bar, VTFM bar.
Right. One day we will try to visit Makole Solevu in Bua and try out the grog at the VTFM bar in Makole. Rocco Bella kama chumay andre ratutau. Lobni korbo turang na solo nandi Mbua, wale choke taru, o matu, watake wuli namro wale, and re head na mataka binaka dikwa. All right. Today we'll focus with Esava.
Right.
Esava.
Yes.
The things about Esava. Esava is still single. He's staying in Votuanga.
Right.
Around his house, he's planting bele and dalo. He's got everything there.
Multi-talented.
Yeah, multi-skilled one is the one sitting beside me.
The one in black.
There's one time, like few weeks back, we asked Esava what type of lady he wants.
Right. He's planning to marry.
Yeah, he's planning to marry.
Right.
Very
different. You know, his taste and what he wants to expect from a lady is very different. He wants the lady to sleep late. He wants the lady to wake up late. No, sleep early, wake up late.
Wake up wrong.
And then he just wants the lady to have breakfast in bed.
One of a kind man.
One of a kind, and then he said that he'll just wake up the lady, just eat, and then go down again. Very different. Okay.
What day you want your wedding to take to Meado?
Monday.
Okay. You want it on Monday?
Monday.
Okay. Na time ba?
5:15 a.m.
You want to get married early in the morning?
There's a reason, Elena.
Wait. What's the reason?
There's a reason for the time. 5:15 a.m. on a Monday morning.
Right.
For a Sabbath to have his Vagamau.
Because morning time 5:15. The weather is so slow. Cool. Breeze outside. Anything you can, anything you can do, you can do more in the morning.
So it's like it's special, So wedding is special if done in the morning. Okay, what if it's done in the night?
No, nighttime, no. Plenty people out there. Because morning time, many are asleep. Only you alone.
Okay.
That's why I said more things you can do morning time because breeze and fresh.
But people will be attending the wedding. So you just want yourself.
How many people you want to attend the wedding?
200 plus.
From the 200 plus, because from the 200 bus, I think only half will attend in the morning.
Yeah.
And then the other half will time
Half they'll cook.
the feast. Oh, yeah. Half will be cooking, half will be attending.
Half will be standing.
Half will be standing.
Kaya kasi ito surat tino so kung mo nesa ba?
Yeah.
Dan nama kita ni buku pikir tu kau dalit tu kaya balik kurang.
All the rooms will be locked.
Ngaju Purwanga yang
Okay, right.
John Kumar.
What type of ring will you give your loved one?
I'll give my loved one the round one.
Yeah.
The gold.
Oh, yeah.
Expensive one, eh?
Expensive one.
The gold one.
Yeah.
The gold one.
One.
How many carat?
Yeah. How many carat na?
42 carat.
Wow.
Iyo. 42 carat.
Yeah.
All right. How many tambo? Okay, before the marriage,
Yeah.
there will be a tradition because we are Itoke.
Yeah.
So, how many tambo are you willing to take to the girl's family
Yeah.
to
Yeah.
ask for her hand in marriage?
13 tambua.
Oh ya, santan na bulog
Yeah.
dua.
Iyo.
12 for the one bulo.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. And the extra one.
Right.
For the transportation.
Yes, ala tumbero tu. In front of Momo and Nate.
Yeah.
What are some of the words that you will say?
Yeah.
Momo.
Yeah.
To Momo or to Nei?
Both,
Yeah.
because you will be asking from both the parents.
Iko na tumber tambo be momo
Right.
Iyo.
and one eye be nei.
Iyo.
Oh, satu. Okay, satu tumbero tu
Yeah,
buah.
yeah.
Santur dake.
Yeah. What bisa
Okay.
na? That
Right.
was here.
No, in English,
Right.
direct pigeon.
Okay.
English or direct pigeon?
If I stand up in English,
Okay.
yo, Momo,
Yeah.
uncle,
Yeah.
Nei, my auntie,
Yeah.
you give me a special one.
Wow.
Banana.
Right,
Give me
right.
a special one.
Right.
So this is the whale tooth. The whale tooth.
Yeah.
I'll give to you
Right.
for sharing my Bluetooth.
Please allow the connection.
Blue.
Yeah.
Blue. Please allow it.
Yeah.
Yo,
To happen.
to happen.
Yeah.
So we can carry on.
Yeah.
Right.
Yo, so that the
We can
Bluetooth,
multiply.
the Bluetooth is successfully
Yeah.
connected.
So after the song, last question,
Yeah.
Sava. After the song, the 200 guests who came for the Vagamau,
Right.
after sa utsia sa kena song,
Yeah.
will there be another relatives to spend the night with you at home, or they go back?
No more. Same time during my wedding.
Right,
Yeah.
right after the wedding.
Yeah, I
Each-
write one notice.
Right.
Yeah. No crossing
Yeah.
beside my house.
Yeah.
No noise. Yeah. That's the notice. Eh?
Right.
In my wedding, I'll explain to them. Yeah.
Keep away.
Yeah, keep away.
Beware.
Keep the volume low.
Keep clear.
Yeah.
Exist.
Yeah.
No more.
Yeah.
Beware of the dog.
Yeah, that's during the wedding. Eh?
Yeah.
I'll explain to them.
Right.
If you want to see some of their sisters,
Right.
because they're relatives,
Yeah.
some of their daughters.
Yeah.
If you want to see after
Yeah.
this night, then you come morning time.
Even Momo and Ney.
Yeah, even Momo and Ney.
Please no.
I told Momo and Ney, you are finished in my side. You can carry on the night beyond.
We
Yeah.
do hope, Sava. We wish that your dream and your plan will come true. And tikiri singa salo kudi.
Right.
No one knows. Napakataw sa nga tsunga bikim ni. Ni na yato bika kelengo and a singa ni no mubakamao. Yay!
Fonoman, wesa, ito yung pinaka.
Bilisenya.
Gongo Luis Ira. Bila seni yang pinaka. Sangat ni biar connect gue.
Kau tengok kami Momo. Mita signa.
Bisa.
Kau biarin dalam nama suit nama tangan go.
Kau tahu?
Can someone stand up? Want to see his uniform?
Nice brown pants here.
Right.
Yo.
It's looking good, man.
Bell bottom.
So simple ni buai sa yang pinaka. Mere isi botombai ya.
Yeah.
Kau ngain na iluba sebura.
Right. Make it 1 a.m. before the toa kokoyo. John Doughty, Arbenaka, ni Arbenaka.
Kemudian akan dah saya kockan on the outs palangian matakan di bingkram. Kemudian boleh besar betokan bulmai. Mendengar saya betal di singa monitor mata minggu. Maruci bola, makan di binakan